Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is the fourth video in our series where we are creating a course which is called WordPress for beginners, and it is targeted toward the absolute beginner. If you don't know anything about web design and you don't have any prior experience in web design, this course is for you, and this is the fourth video. So in the previous third videos we took a look at how to install and configure WordPress on your website, how to activate and install SSL certificates so that your site shows the secure tag, and in the third video we took a look at how to create this awesome theme, how to configure this awesome theme, and how to make your site look fantastic. In this video we need to take a look at how to customize your footer credits. So if you remember, we had something called Hesia developed by Theme Isle, and it now says assassinghost copyright 2020. So let me just go ahead and go to the customize. We clicked on this customize and open it a new tab, and if we go to our page, with every element we have this little pencil icon. If you click on it, it will edit it, and in this case we have pencil icon next to our attribution. If you click on it, we have this little footer credits. So I'm just going to remove this hyperf, and I'm going to add my https://youtube.com/assassinhost, and here I'm going to type the text I want. So for example, I want it to say assassinghost copyright 2020, and I'm just going to publish it. Now if I open my website and reload it, you can see it says assassinghost copyright 2020, and if I click on it, it will take you to my website, to my YouTube channel. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can customize your footer credits, and if you like this video, please leave a like or subscribe, because we have more tutorials coming soon in this series. And if you have any question, you can ask in my Discord channel, and I'll put the link in the description. Also, you can just go ahead and comment in the YouTube comments. That will always work. So thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.